Zimbabwe love on the radio.
King Mucha Productions.
Single mama, don't you hide your face. You still beautiful, you still got grace. Stretch marks, tell a story of strength. You bring life, that's power at its length. You can still slay, still shine bright, still dress up and own the night. This ain't the end, it's just a phase. Single mama, you still slay. They told you life was over once you gave birth, but they don't know your value, all your worth. You wake up early, sleep late at night, still find a way to make things right. Bills on the table, food in the pot, carrying pressure nobody got. But when you smile, the world feel light. Strong woman glows a different side. Single mother, me see your strength. Holy acre love in your chest. Life get rough, but you're not bent. You're still fresh from start to end. Your body change, but your soul intact. Give birth is a boss move fact. No shame in the road you pass. Queen energy, full of class. Single mama, don't you hide your face. You still beautiful, still got grace. Stretch marks, tell a story of strength. You bring life, that's power at its length. You can still slay, still shine bright, still dressed up and on the night. This ain't the end, it's just a phase. Single mama, you still slay. Look in the mirror, tell yourself true. Everything you are is more than enough to. Your body change, but so your mind. Know you're stronger, wiser with time. High heels or sneakers on your feet. Either way you still look sweet. No shame in your past, no fear in your eyes. You're a queen in a different side. When you step out, extern road, natural glow. You light up tone, stretch mark na flaw. Them badge your pride, life give a written pon your side. Miss a dress up, I keep it plain. Your beauty still a the same. Confidence louder than designer brand. Real girl power, real woman stand. Single mama, don't you hide your face. You still beautiful, still got grace. Stretch marks, tell a story of strength. You bring life, that's power at its length. You can still slay, still shine bright, still dress up and on the night. This ain't the end, it's just a phase. Single mama, you still slay. And yes, there's love waiting down the road. A real man strong enough to share the load. One who see you not just your past, who love your child like it's his own at last. Don't rush it, let the healing come. Right love find you when it's done. Your future bright like morning sun. Best chapters haven't even begun. Real man now run from responsibility. Him see your worth and your ability. Him not judge your story or your past. Him build with you, make the love last. Him love the child like flesh and bone. Treat your heart like royal throne. So hold the faith, no need for fear. The right one soon appear. Wipe your tears, fix your crown. You didn't fail, you held it down. Your heart still pure, your soul still brave. Single mother, you're more than safe. Lift your head, girl, straight and spine. Our days really overtime. You're not broken, you're refined. Blessed by your design. Single mama, lift your head high. You're a survivor, don't ask why. You can still dream, still love again. Still laugh hard through joy and pain. From struggle days to better days. Single mama is still safe. This still acts nice with love and respect. Zimbabwe girl, me heart to connect.